The universe is a vast, ever-changing expanse filled with phenomena that captivate the human imagination. Among these, the potential explosion of Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star in the constellation Orion, stands out as a particularly thrilling prospect. This event, known as a supernova, would be a rare and spectacular occurrence, visible from Earth even in broad daylight. For astronomers, astrophysicists, and stargazers alike, the explosion of Betelgeuse represents a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness the dramatic end of a stellar life cycle and to gain invaluable insights into the workings of the cosmos. Betelgeuse, also known as Alpha Orionis, is one of the brightest and most recognizable stars in the night sky. Its distinctive reddish hue and prominent position in Orion's shoulder make it a familiar sight to both amateur and professional astronomers. However, Betelgeuse is not just any star, it is a massive, aging star on the brink of a catastrophic explosion. When it finally goes supernova, the event will be so bright that it will outshine the moon and be visible during the day for weeks, if not months. This article delves into the fascinating details of Betelgeuse, its life cycle, the science behind supernovae, and the potential impact of its explosion on Earth and the broader universe. We will explore the history of Betelgeuse's observation, the latest scientific findings, and what we can expect when this cosmic giant meets its fiery end. Join us on this journey through the stars as we uncover the mysteries of Betelgeuse and the awe-inspiring spectacle of its impending supernova. The star Betelgeuse, a cosmic giant. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star located approximately 642.5 light-years from Earth in the constellation Orion. It is one of the largest and most luminous stars known to astronomers, with a radius estimated to be between 950 and 1,200 times that of the Sun. If Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter, engulfing the inner planets, including Earth. The star's immense size is matched by its extraordinary luminosity. Betelgeuse shines with a brightness that is around 100,000 times greater than that of the Sun. Despite its distance from Earth, it is the 10th brightest star in the night sky, making it a prominent feature of the winter sky in the northern hemisphere. Betelgeuse's reddish color is a telltale sign of its advanced age. As stars age, they undergo significant changes in their structure and composition. Betelgeuse began its life as a hot, blue-white star, but as it exhausted the hydrogen fuel in its core, it expanded and cooled, transforming into the red supergiant we see today. This phase of a star's life is relatively short-lived, and Betelgeuse is now in the final stages of its stellar evolution. The life cycle of a star, from birth to supernova. To understand the significance of Betelgeuse's impending explosion, it is essential to explore the life cycle of a star. Stars are born in vast clouds of gas and dust known as nebulae. Under the influence of gravity, these clouds collapse, forming dense regions called protostars. As the protostar continues to contract, its core temperature rises until it reaches the point where nuclear fusion can begin. This process, which converts hydrogen into helium, marks the birth of a star. For most of its life, a star remains in the main sequence phase, where it steadily burns hydrogen in its core. The duration of this phase depends on the star's mass. Massive stars, like Betelgeuse, have shorter lifespans because they burn through their fuel more quickly. Once the hydrogen in the core is exhausted, the star enters a new phase of its life cycle. In the case of a massive star, the core contracts and heats up, allowing the fusion of heavier elements such as helium, carbon, and oxygen. The star's outer layers expand and cool, causing it to swell into a red supergiant. This is the stage at which Betelgeuse currently finds itself. However, this phase is not sustainable indefinitely. Eventually, the star's core will no longer be able to support nuclear fusion, leading to a catastrophic collapse. The science of supernovae. A supernova is one of the most energetic events in the universe, marking the explosive death of a star. There are two primary types of supernovae, Type 1 and Type 2. Betelgeuse is expected to undergo a Type 2 supernova, which occurs when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and can no longer support itself against gravitational collapse. In a Type 2 supernova, the star's core collapses under its own gravity, reaching densities and temperatures so extreme that protons and electrons are forced together to form neutrons. This results in the formation of a neutron star or, in some cases, a black hole. The outer layers of the star are blown away in a massive explosion, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of light, heat, and radiation. The explosion is so powerful that it can outshine an entire galaxy for a brief period. The remnants of the supernova, including the neutron star or black hole and the expanding shell of gas and dust, continue to influence the surrounding space for thousands of years. Supernovae play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, as they distribute heavy elements formed in the star's core throughout the cosmos, enriching the interstellar medium and providing the building blocks for new stars and planets. Betelgeuse's impending supernova, what to expect? The exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova is uncertain, as it could happen anytime within the next 100,000 years. However, given the star's advanced age and recent observations of its dimming and brightening patterns, some astronomers speculate that the explosion could occur much sooner, possibly within our lifetimes. When Betelgeuse goes supernova, the event will be nothing short of spectacular. The explosion will release an immense amount of energy, causing the star to brighten dramatically. For a period of several weeks, Betelgeuse will outshine the moon, becoming the brightest object in the night sky. It will be visible during the day, casting shadows and potentially even affecting the behavior of nocturnal animals. The supernova will also produce a burst of neutrinos, nearly massless subatomic particles that can pass through matter almost unimpeded. These neutrinos will reach Earth before the light from the explosion, providing an early warning of the event. Astronomers around the world will be poised to observe the supernova, using a variety of instruments to study its light, radiation, and the formation of the neutron star or black hole at its core. The impact of Betelgeuse's supernova on Earth. While the explosion of Betelgeuse will be a breathtaking sight, it is important to consider its potential impact on Earth. Fortunately, Betelgeuse is located at a safe distance of approximately 642.5 light-years, meaning that the explosion is unlikely to pose any direct threat to our planet. The intense radiation and high-energy particles emitted by the supernova will be largely absorbed by the interstellar medium before reaching Earth. However, the supernova could have some indirect effects. The burst of neutrinos, while harmless to humans, could provide valuable data for scientists studying particle physics. The explosion may also produce a small amount of cosmic rays, which could increase the radiation levels in Earth's upper atmosphere. This could potentially affect satellites and communication systems, but the impact is expected to be. One of the most significant effects of Betelgeuse's supernova will be its contribution to our understanding of stellar evolution and the life cycle of stars. The event will provide a unique opportunity to study the processes that occur during a supernova in real time, offering insights into the formation of neutron stars, black holes, and the distribution of heavy elements in the universe. Historical observations of Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse has been observed and studied by astronomers for centuries. Its distinctive red color and brightness have made it a subject of fascination in various cultures and civilizations. The star's name is derived from the Arabic phrase Yad al-Jawza, meaning the hand of Orion, reflecting its position in the constellation. In the early 20th century, astronomers began to recognize Betelgeuse as a red supergiant and one of the largest stars known. Its size and luminosity have made it a prime target for scientific study, and advances in technology have allowed astronomers to observe the star in unprecedented detail. Recent observations have revealed that Betelgeuse is undergoing significant changes. In late 2019 and early 2020, the star experienced a dramatic dimming, leading to speculation that it might be on the verge of exploding. While the dimming was later attributed to a combination of dust clouds and changes in the star's surface, it has heightened interest in Betelgeuse and its potential supernova. The future of Betelgeuse and stellar astronomy. The explosion of Betelgeuse will mark the end of an era for this cosmic giant, but it will also herald the beginning of a new chapter in stellar astronomy. The data gathered from the supernova will provide valuable insights into the processes that govern the life and death of stars, helping scientists to refine their models of stellar evolution. In addition to its scientific significance, the supernova will be a cultural and historical event, remembered by generations to come. It will serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe, inspiring awe and curiosity in all who witness it. As we await the inevitable explosion of Betelgeuse, we can take comfort in the knowledge that we are living in a time when such cosmic events can be observed and studied in detail. The tools and technologies available to modern astronomers allow us to explore the universe in ways that were unimaginable to our ancestors, and the explosion of Betelgeuse will be a testament to the power of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. Conclusion. The potential explosion of Betelgeuse is a once-in-a-lifetime cosmic event that promises to captivate and inspire people around the world. As a red supergiant on the brink of a supernova, Betelgeuse represents the dramatic end of a stellar life cycle and the birth of new cosmic phenomena. The explosion will be a spectacular sight, visible from Earth and providing valuable scientific data that will enhance our understanding of the universe. While the exact timing of Betelgeuse's supernova remains uncertain, the event serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. It is a testament to the power and beauty of the universe, and a call to continue exploring and learning about the wonders that lie beyond our planet. As we look to the skies and await the fiery end of Betelgeuse, we are reminded of our place in the vast expanse of the universe. The explosion of this cosmic giant will be a moment of awe and wonder, a fleeting glimpse into the life and death of stars, and a celebration of the enduring human spirit of discovery.